Hi everyone, I am V. You are now watching Makeup Without Limitations. That means you create your makeup look whichever way you want and make no excuses. Do it the way that brings you joy and happiness. With that said, this eye look, beautiful, sexy, soft look that was made for members only. I do have a membership. The link is in the description if you'd like to support me and my channel. Now, this look, I am going to turn it into a smoky eye look. And I'll give you a little tidbits on blood pressure. I am not a doctor, but I'm just telling you the things that I'm learning about high blood pressure. So far, I have been able to get my own to a reasonable place. High blood pressure is a very silent killer. Please know your numbers. If you are 25 or at least 30 years of age, you should have a blood pressure monitor at home. Check your numbers. When you know it, you can take steps toward fixing it. Now let's smoke this eye look. The colors I have on is a pistachio green, and that's a matte, and I put in a shimmer purple. I'm going to take a black and smoke maybe the outer corner and into the crease. Let's see what I create. I have a small elf brush, and I'm going to do that. High blood pressure is a silent killer. I didn't even know my pressure was going up and down all the time until I went to my heart doctor about 2 years ago. But I started monitoring it for about a year now. I had the blood pressure monitor to, do my dad's pressure just to check it, but never once used it. But once I came from the doctor back 7/20/25, I was like, that's it. Now I got to do it. So I've been doing it since then. A little bit about blood pressure. Systolic number is the top number. Diastolic number is the bottom number. I will explain in a little bit what those two numbers do and what they represent. But a normal blood pressure is 120 and less than 80. That is what is considered a normal blood pressure. Again, a normal blood pressure is 120, which is the top number. Remember, the top number is called systolic. An elevated blood pressure is 120 to 129. That is considered elevated blood pressure. I'm not adding any more black to the brush. I am just now blending them in as I give you a little bit about the blood pressure information. Always consult your doctor because he's the one that will help you better with all the information I'm sharing. He'll help you better control your high blood pressure if you have it, or prevent or help you prevent having high blood pressure. So please consult your doctor. I gotta fix this one. You see, with hooded eyes, I have to go higher. Over here, I have to go higher now to match it, or else it doesn't look right, does it? See, over here, you still have green. Over here, you don't. One eye is bigger than the other. And I'm so excited to be back. I am excited to be back. And for the elevated blood pressure, which is 120 between 120 and 129 and less than 80. That is considered elevated blood pressure. This is coming good. This is coming really good, right? What do you think? Let me know in the comments what you think about this smoky eye look. Let us communicate with each other and hype this video. Remember, you are always first. Always, always, always know that. I just went into the green, and I'm going to take it and just mesh the smokiness that I just put so everything looks seamless. The systolic number, which is your top number, measures the pressure of your heartbeat. It measures the pressure when your heart beats. That is your systolic number. The diastolic number, which is the bottom number, measures between beats. Diastolic measures the pressure between beats. If you have any question about whether you have high blood pressure or how you can manage it if you have it, please consult your doctor. I will be right back because I need to change the lip color to go with this look. Always remember, self is first. Love self plenty. Never, ever, ever give up on yourself, because when you do, you will self-neglect. I appreciate you kindly. Please remember to hype this video, give it a thumbs up, comment, share it, because me being away and coming back, it's going to be a slow growth back on YouTube. So I appreciate everything you do to help me out. Today's eye look. And I changed the lip color. It's this lipstick. It is this lipstick I got in my ice cream box. I love it. I have it on matte right now. And it came with a little shimmer you can put on it if you want. But this little lip color is my jam. I love it. Now remember, high blood pressure is silent. It doesn't tell you when it's up or down in your body. Sometimes you might feel it if you already have it, but when you don't have it, you don't really know if you're feeling tired or your blood pressure is elevated. So, know your numbers. Top numbers is systolic, bottom numbers is diastolic. A normal blood pressure is 120 and less than 80. An elevated blood pressure is 120 to 129 and less than 80. Systolic measures the pressure of when your heart beats. Diastolic measures pressure between beats. So please know your numbers. And as always, I will see you in the next video until I see you and you see me. Please know your numbers. They are very, very important to you. And each one of us is different. So someone might have numbers that look a certain way and you think you might have those numbers. No, we're different. So take care of self and I will see you soon. Bye.